Hey everyone, so okay. Um okay, are you gonna shut up? Okay, so these are my new Fortin remotes for my remote starter, my police interceptor, right? I highly recommend you do get these remotes. I will put a link in the description for them if I can find a link. But these remotes are far better than the ones that 12Volt.Solutions gives you. I have had nothing but problems with the build quality. The buttons would actually fall out of um, the thing, right? So that these are the new Fortin remotes. They have the same functions. So you got you got your lock, and then you got your unlock, and then you got your remote start. So your beeps are a little bit, I guess the pitch is different. That's my dash cam. So yeah, these are the Evo. These are the Evo or Fortin 942s, I think. RFK 942. That's what it says on there. And then obviously you can press the bottom button and the remote start button to kill it. And that's it. So that's that, and you still got your, all these buttons, but these buttons feel a lot better than what we used to have. Or what I used to have. So I will find a link for these in the description to buy these. These are far better than the ones that 12Volt.Solutions gives you, and they are compatible with Evo 1 and Evo All systems from Fortin. So, yeah, replace these if the buttons do fall out, replace them with these. Do not go to 12Volt.Solutions. They will just give you another one of the same remotes. So, with that being said, I will leave a link if I can find a link for these. Somewhere cheaper, probably on eBay. You can always buy these from Fortin's website, but they're pretty expensive. So, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is just a follow-up from the previous clip. This is the remote I was talking about that you need to replace with the RFK 942s. This is the FTX 64 two-way. These buttons love to fall out after a few weeks. I think I've only lasted 2 weeks with these remotes. So it's brand new, hasn't been programmed at all. So, and you will be replacing the antenna that comes with this, or comes with the new one. This is the other one for this remote right here. You will replace this antenna for the new remote. So you will be removing this one right here, and these remotes will not work with the new one either. When you do order your Fortin kit, you will get this wiring harness with the kit of new remotes. You will not need this harness because your 12Volt.Solutions kit will already have it. So you just need to unplug the antenna and plug the new one in and program the new remotes. Super simple. That's how you do it.